Are you a woman in the military thinking about transitioning to civilian life? In this video, you will learn the highs and lows of my transition from military to civilian life. My goal in sharing this with you is to help your transition to the civilian world be as seamlessly as possible so you are better equipped to make your dreams a reality. Hi, I'm Kara, and this channel is all about helping you learn how to transition out of the military into civilian working mom life successfully. If you are new here, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. I do release a new video every week that will help you reach your full potential, even if you're a military woman juggling it all. For those of you that are new to my channel, I was active duty in the Air Force for 12 years. I got out 6 months ago and moved back to Pennsylvania so we could be closer to family. I thought it would be valuable to start a series so you could follow me along my journey and I can share with you the highs and lows of my transition. My first video in this series was a 4-month follow-up. Today, I will be sharing what it's been like at the 6-month follow-up. I plan on also doing a follow-up at the 9-month and 1-year mark. It's been 2 months since I last updated you on where I'm at. In my last video, I talked about how my job was going. Just a quick recap, I'm a licensed clinical social worker and I'm specifically doing exposure therapy for individuals with OCD. I absolutely love the work and I'm grateful for this job. As I mentioned before, the most stressful part of the job is not getting paid when someone in my family is sick or one of my clients cancels at the last minute. Although that's still a stressor for me, I would say that it has died down in intensity. I recently discovered the world of cryptocurrency and have learned how to build a passive income, so it takes off a lot of that pressure that I previously felt. Crypto may or may not be for you, but I highly recommend that you find some way to generate a passive income. It takes a lot of pressure off when your job may not always help you make ends meet. I mentioned before that we hadn't been reimbursed for our PPM move. Nothing's really changed there. Hopefully I will have more of an update for you next time. My advice, having gone through this experience, is to allow the military to move you for your final move. It may not be completely headache-free, but you'll have a lot less headaches than doing it yourself. Oh, by the way, I also just created a free veterans time-saving checklist and resource guide that's available to you on my website. Go to www.karataylorcoaching.com/veteran-resources. I'll also include the link down below. What I missed the most about being in the military is the people I met. I felt very disconnected after getting out, despite getting to spend time with my family and friends because I thought I had lost that part of my life. What I have discovered in the past 2 months is that there is a strong and supportive community out there for transitioning military and veterans, and that's in LinkedIn. If you are not on LinkedIn, be sure to get on there now. I have a whole video dedicated to taking advantage of getting LinkedIn Premium for free for 1 year, so be sure to check it out. I have met so many amazing transitioning military members and veterans in the past month and look forward to continuing to foster those relationships moving forward. Hey, look me up and let's connect. What I love most about being out of the military is having the freedom and control to do whatever I want. Think about how often you've been told what to do, what job you're going to do, where you're going to live, when, and if you can go on vacation, who you can be friends with. It's so nice to not have to think about having to request leave when I want to go out of the local area, to not carry an on-call phone anymore, to be on my schedule and work when I want to work and take off when I want to take off. Heck, I can move right now to another part of the country or world and no one can stop me. Don't get me wrong, I understand why those rules are in place. While we are serving, we have to do what's best for the military, but you will feel a tremendous amount of relief when you hang up the uniform. That's it for updates right now. As I always say, dream the possible. If you dream the possible, you can make anything happen. For that reason, I'll see you in the next video.